And well, our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami has released a message after a hearing in the Supreme Court, and he has said that he is grateful to India's highest court. We'll play out that message in a short while from now. In the meanwhile, our legal editor Ridham Anand Bharadwaj now joining us on the broadcast. Well, Ridham, it has been a tough battle, but Republic stood its ground. And today the top court has spoken in our favor. We'll play out that message by Arnab in a short while. But at Republic Rhythm, we continue to say that it is our right to question, and we will do that. Over to you, Rhythm.
Absolutely. Let's tell our viewers in the courtroom when the case came up, viewers, today. This was a case that has been fought, and it started off at 10:30 today morning when the case, Justice Chandrachud and Justice M.B. Shah, the bench that was hearing the case, came forward to hear the case in the Supreme Court. For us, very valiantly, this matter was fought by Mukul Rohatgi, senior advocate, who was leading us. The Supreme Court has now given out a judgment, viewers. The judgment is very clear. It's a massive victory for Republic Media Network. It's a massive victory for Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami. The victory by the Supreme Court says there will be protection from arrest and coercive action for the next 3 weeks. This is because of the harassment that has been caused to Republic Network for the past few days and FIRs that are being filed in all the Congress-ruled states. Republic Media Network took a decision to move the Supreme Court and to pray for relief to the top court of the country. The Supreme Court has now, in its wisdom, given out an order, and even as I'm going to read out this order by Honorable Judges Justice Chandrachud and Justice Shah, they have in their wisdom stated we are going to be getting protection for 3 weeks from any coercive action. They've also said all the innumerable FIRs filed across the country will now be clubbed into one FIR that will now be heard in Mumbai. This is also something that was requested by senior advocate Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, who appeared for Republic Network in this case. Let's also tell our viewers, Congress party left no stone unturned to continue to harass us. Appearing for them in the Supreme Court, we saw there was for the state of Maharashtra Kapil Sibal, senior advocate. We also saw Manish Singhvi, an advocate, appearing for Rajasthan. We also saw appearing Dushyant Dave, Vivek Tankha. I have to recheck if Mr. Dave was there because I was told he was. I didn't hear the arguments. Now, this was a virtual court since we are in a state of lockdown. But item 2, when it was called, orders was dictated after both the sides argued. But the bigger picture here, there's a desperate attempt of the Congress party, viewers, to try and ensure that the free liberty and free voice of independent journalists is muzzled has now been scrapped by the top court of the country with this order. In basic, it means that the Supreme Court has given protection to Republic team and to Arnab from coercive arrest or coercive action. They've also clarified that the Commissioner of Police in Mumbai has to move forward and ensure that there has to be protection given after that horrible attack that took place on Editor-in-Chief Arnab a few days ago and his wife. I'm going to be reading out, viewers, from this order now before I come across and tell you it's a big setback for the Congress party. Why are we saying Team Sonia Gandhi? Why are we saying Team Congress is lost? We have not been stopped from broadcasting the truth in any case, whether the Palghar issue, whether in any issue. Our voice cannot be silenced, and the Supreme Court, even though this argument has been made by the other side, has not stopped us from this. What the Supreme Court has said is, Congress, we will continue to be speaking about the truth in all these issues. Protection from arrest is what, and coercive action is what relief the top court of the country has granted Republic Media Network. Also, the Supreme Court has given a big victory for media rights. You know, viewers, before I go on to tell you why this is a big setback for the Congress party, why the Supreme Court's relief is going to be seen as a massive loss of face for the Congress party, I want to tell you why this is a massive victory for us. there is all FIRs that have been filed in all the Congress ruled states are going to be clubbed and stayed as one. That's the number one relief, because they were filing these FIRs in all these states. The FIR that was in Nagpur is going to be transferred to Lower Parel, that is right across from the Republic Network's office, and that's where this will be there. Then we can also approach the Bombay High Court for quashing or anticipatory bail, and the police protection will also be given to Arnab so that we can ensure that everything is taken care of. Now we'll also tell you, as we're going to try and get in touch with the lawyers who appeared in this case for us, the Supreme Court has stayed the arrest. All FIRs will be clubbed together. He's at liberty to approach the trial court. Arnab is at liberty to approach the trial court or the Bombay High Court for any legal remedies. Also, the Supreme Court has ordered protection for him, his wife, and Republic TV. On every count, viewers, that we went to the Supreme Court, we have won. Now I'll tell you what this means for the Congress party. What this means for the Congress party is they have failed. They have failed in doing what they attempted to do. They tried to ensure that the independent voice of journalists could not be heard. They tried to muzzle it down, but that's not been possible. Media rights and media liberty is sacrosanct. Our lawyer in the top court of the country spoke about Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution, which is the paramount virtue, which is something that every journalist looks at with pride, because it talks about every journalist's freedom of right and expression of speech. The Supreme Court has clearly upheld it when it's refused to let anything happen to the broadcasting rights of any story on Republic TV that is broadcast, no matter what any national party has to say here. And that is the biggest loss of face, according to me, for the Congress party. The Supreme Court has also very clearly said all these cases will be clubbed into one. I would also like to go across to lawyers joining us, and I'm going to be coming across to them in just a minute. So Aisha, even as I'm doing this, I'd like to just be given a minute so that I can also patch our councils and give their numbers to our team so that we can patch them.